Hi friends, welcome to all with a new topic. Today our topic is equality operator in Java. So what are the equality operators? These are equal to and not equal to. Okay. So equality operator also you can say these are the relational operator. Okay. Because these are also used to comparing two variable. Last class I already say about that what are the relational operator. These are small than, equal to, greater than, equal to. Okay, these operator are used for comparing two variable, and also equality operator are used for comparing two variable. That's why equality operator also we can say these are the relational operator. Okay, we can apply equality operator for every primitive types including Boolean type. See, relational operator. Last class I already say relational operator are used for every primitive types except Boolean type. Okay, we cannot use relational operator for Boolean type, but equality operator are used for Boolean type. This is a difference from equality operator and relational operator. So see some example here. System.out.println 10 equal to 20. Okay, 10 equal to 20. This is false because 10 is less than 20. Okay, so our output is false. System.out.println 5 not equal to 6. Okay, 5 not equal to 6. Yes, it is true. System.out.println a small a equal to small b. So it will be compared by using their ASCII value. So what is the ASCII value of small a? This is 97. What is the ASCII value of small b? This is 98. Okay, so 97 equal to 98. No, this is false. That's why our output is false. System.out.println small a equal to 97.0. So the ASCII value of small a is 97 equal to 97.0. Yes, it is equal because 97 equal to 97.0. Okay, so that's why our output is true. System.out.println false equal to false. Yes, false equal to false. That's why our output is true. Here we can use, I already say about equality operator also used for Boolean type. System.out.println true not equal to false. Yes, true and false are different, so the output is true. Okay, we can also apply equality operator for reference variable and for the object type. Okay, so first see what is reference variable. The variable which is a class type means the data type is class name is called as reference variable. See here, let there is a class test. So if we want to create a reference variable of this class, then what we have to write? This is test and this is the class name and t1. This is the reference variable name. Okay, another reference variable like test t2. This is also reference variable. See here, I have given the same example here. This is test is the class name and t1 is the reference variable. Test t2, this is also a reference variable. If we print system.out.println, then t1 equal to t2, so our output is true. Why the output is true? Because the default value of class type variable is null. Okay, so by default it contain null. T1 by default contain null and T2 by default contain null. So null equal to null. Output is true. Okay, next see object. Object is a part of a class which is used for call the member of a class. Okay, now see syntax, how to create the object. class name, object name equal to new class name, and this is the parenthesis and semicolon. This is the syntax of the what? This is the syntax of the object. How to create object? So see here, I have create two object. Let test is the class name. So test s1 equal to new test. Okay, this is one object. What is the name of the object? This is s1. Next another object is test s2 equal to new test. What is the name of the object? This is s2. If we compare by using equality operator, system.out.println s1 equal to s2, the output will be false. Why false? See, for different object, different memory will be allocated. Okay, here s1 is a object and s2 is another object. These are the different object. So for different object, different memory will be allocated. So our output will be false. Okay, so let's go to see it in our system. Okay, see here, class test published title void main. This is the main method. Inside the body of main method, I have to print system.out.println 10 equal to 20. Okay, so 10 not equal to 20 because 10 is less than 20. So our output is false. Next, system.out.println 5 not equal to 6. Okay, yes, 5 not equal to 6. So our output will be true. Now system.out.println small a equal to small b. The ASCII value of small a is 97. The ASCII value of small b is 98. 97 equal to 98? No. So our output will be false. System.out.println small a equal to 97.0. The ASCII value of small a is 97. 97 equal to 97.0. Yes, output will be true. System.out.println false. False equal to false. Yes, false equal to false. So our output will be true. System.out.println true. True not equal to false. Yes, true not equal to false. So our output is true. Okay. So now check it in command prompt. First compile, file name is equality. Javac equality.java. Run Java class name is test. Okay. So our output will be false, then true, then false, then true, then true, and then true. Okay. So now check for reference variable. Okay. Reference variable taken outside the method. So test t1. Next another reference variable test t2. Inside the body of main method, I have to print t1 equal to t2. Now check, compile. See here, it will be show an error. Non-static variable t1 cannot be returned from static area. See, main method is by default static. So we have to convert the reference variable as static. So static test t1 and static test t2. Now check. Compile java c file name.java. Now run java class name. Class name is test. Yes, our output will be true. Why true? Test t1 and test t2, because by default reference variable contain the value null. Okay, so test t1 equal to null, test t2 equal to null, null equal to null. Yes, so our output will be true. Now check for object. First we have to take two object, test p1 equal to, better take the object name is obj1 for better understood. Test obj1 equal to new test. Another one is test obj2 equal to new test. So we have to check obj1 equal to obj2. Check first compile, then run. Output will be false. Okay, why false? Because for different object different memory will be allocated. That's why our output will be false. Okay, so for today this much. I hope it will be very clear to you. Sure, I can provide the note in the description. Thank you for watching.